In duct insulation installation, technicians face daily challenges: slow progress, repeated mistakes, and weak pin holding strength, leading to wasted time and effort. Now, with
The EXCELL-HVAC Pin Spotter.
these issues can be eliminated. This machine is engineered to deliver instant, precise spot welding for fastening pins onto ductwork. It drives the pin through the insulation directly into the duct surface, and with a single press of the gun trigger, welding happens in just a fraction of a second. Working speed up to 40 pieces per minute. Welds pins in various lengths, ½ inch up to 4 inches, to match different insulation thicknesses. Lightweight design for easy transport and operation, whether in the workshop or on site. The result? Faster execution, excellent fastener stability, even during handling and installation, strong weld quality, and minimal effort for technicians. Built for professional HVAC teams looking for higher productivity and consistent quality standards on every project. Speed, precision, reliability, results made for professionals.